Like
Google Maps in Asia is not Google Maps where we're from.
No. I'd be so pissed. I'm still on this bus. This guy's over here.
Yeah, glad you
clapping cheeks. I'm sitting here stuck on this bus. We are in Pakse, Laos, and we're doing a 2-day, 1-night bicycle loop around the surrounding area. It's called the Bolivian Loop. There's a bunch of different things you can see, some waterfalls, coffee plantation. So we do about, I think about 80 kilometers today around the loop, and then tomorrow it's a bit shorter to come all the way back to Pakse. We'll spend 1 night at just past the village. There's a homestay we can stay at called Captain Hook, where we plan to stay. I'm here with Harry from the UK, Tom from France, and then Alex from the US. So the 4 of us are doing the tour. Yeah, should be a lot of fun. The only problem with the automatic bikes is they don't have the semi-automatic ones have no space on the inside. Like the automatic ones have so much room.
Yeah, but even in front, it's quite annoying to.
Yeah.
But when I was in Takek, I had the same t-shirt, but there was something with your bag and attach it to the cargo thing.
You've been to Vietnam, and have you done the Ha Giang Loop by any chance?
No, I will.
Oh, you will? Yeah, I'm doing that soon too. Yeah, man.
I've only heard good things.
I've heard amazing. I've seen so many people are like posting photos and videos, but I don't want to spoil it, so I don't want to see any of it. Yeah.
Like, I don't know anything about this loop.
No, neither do I. Yeah.
I don't, but I met some French guy who were traveling for 10 months in Asia, and they said this loop was the best thing they have done in Asia.
What?
Really?
Wow. Okay. Dope.
Never heard that.
Yeah, because I planned to come stay here for like 1 night. I was planning to go to Cambodia today, but then other people were doing the loop when we arrived yesterday, and I was like, oh, it sounds kind of cool. And then she gave us the whole lowdown, so I'm like, all right, screw it, let's do it. So yeah. The whip.
No, my mouth is too dry. Okay. Let's smoke at the left turn.
Just smoke while you drive.
Yeah.
I do on the
Laos style, right?
All the time.
Okay. Oh, I guess you need a little more focus while you're on the.
I mean,
And the
I
kids,
smoked
like-
on a bicycle already, which was horrible. So when I see them smoking on the motorbike, I'm like, yeah, probably not a good fit.
Can you ignite a cigarette using like some part of the engine or the exhaust, do you think?
If you probably touch it to the engine,
Yeah,
it might
it's
get harder.
Right? It must be, right?
I don't know if I'd want to smoke it
No,
afterwards.
no, yeah.
It'll grow hair on your chest.
Yeah. Did you make the group? Yeah.
Okay, we have the
Dope.
group.
All right.
So now we wait for each other at the left turn.
Nice scooter squad. I like
So
it.
when are you getting to second gear? You go down at
I go first. I go straight to second as quick as fast as I
almost
can.
immediate.
Yeah.
It's
Second
almost
gear,
immediate.
third gear after a few seconds, and then fourth I get. Yeah.
Mine doesn't accelerate in second. I'll show you.
Oh, because you got like the 110cc bike.
Right.
So yours is a little different than ours. So it's got more power, I guess. I don't know. I don't know much about
You can't
bikes.
get past 64, man.
At
And
all.
the scooters were going past 80.
Yeah, even on your fourth gear.
Yeah, it's slow as fuck. It's driving me crazy. It's annoying.
Huh. I don't know. Do you guys have any idea? His bike doesn't only just barely go past 60.
It's meant to be 110.
No, I think
Even
I
in
go.
fourth
You
gear.
have a 110, so maybe your gear.
But it should have more power. Like, if anything, it should go faster, no? Right?
100.
Yeah, because we all have the 100 bikes.
Yeah, and it has no power in second.
Maybe you just pass the fourth gear too early, and then that's why you cannot take the power.
No, because in 6 it's 64, like that. And like full throttle when it's won't. So you can't go fourth gear higher than 60, I don't think. That would be.
We try doing it in a third gear?
No, I will. I will try.
I guess maybe try and go like until like the engine's revved out in every gear before you change. Maybe I have no clue. I have no idea.
Have you ever driven a manual car before?
A manual car?
Yeah. So okay. I mean the logic with the engine is the same, right?
Yeah. I'm used to it now. Yeah. It's just the helmet that's fucking me up now.
Yeah, the lower gears are better for accelerating, right? So
Yeah.
and then when you get to it's cool though. Nice. So yeah, I know when you were right next to me, I was surprised. Like, oh wow, he's figured it out. I thought you'd be way behind us or something.
I'm like, this is more than 60 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, he's doing it. He's doing it.
Right. Yeah, it got up to 90, I think, when I was because I was fucking far behind, so I had to like catch up.
Dope.
Are all our bikes the same?
Us three,
No,
yeah.
he
He has the 110.
I don't think 10 makes a huge difference.
I've been like literally just full gassing it, and like I still couldn't really catch up.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm flying on this thing. That's all right. But before like, I do full way to 2, all the way to 3, and then I get the 4th.
Yeah, maybe it's the same as him. Maybe you pass the 4th gear too early, and then you cannot go fully to the.
No, but
end of
even
the-
when I'm going like 60 and I'm in 4th and like fully, like it's not going super fast.
That was the same with me a minute ago.
But I can get up to almost, I can get past 60 in 3rd.
Yeah, I think that's what I was doing, dude. And then
So yeah, say the V. I mean, we were all together, all 4 of us,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. It's 13 kilometers and the first waterfall.
Okay.
Okay. Hope there should be a sign.
it's
so
not
hopefully.
actually a lot of driving involved, really.
It'll add up though, maybe.
Tomorrow's the bigger one, I guess. 100.
No, I think today's further because we gotta go all the way around.
Oh yeah, because yesterday
Yeah,
the French
80,
guys they
86,
said
yeah,
yesterday they
100
drove like.
Really, 86?
86, yeah.
And tomorrow's
86
110
what?
kilometers.
Really?
It's driving 86 kilometers today.
Holy
Yeah.
fuck.
Captain Hook, yeah, Google says 1 hour 15 minutes until Captain Hook.
Oh, okay.
So that is.
Alright,
You do
Google,
like 60
Google
on average.
Maps in Asia is not Google Maps where we're from.
No.
I mean, on a
no.
motorbike, that's alright. When you take a bus, if you see the time on Google Maps,
Automatically add at least 50%, at least.
but even if you add 50%, that's like 2 hours something. So that's alright.
But then they stop, then they like do whatever, pick up more people, put chickens on the bus.
The lady yesterday was telling me the guy used to stop and see his girlfriend for 2 hours every drive.
What?
Yeah, the owner of the hotel. She was like, yeah, the guy, when you get the bus down from the NTM, he'd stop, go and see his girlfriend for 2 hours, leave them all there, eat some food, and then like spend time with her and then get back on the bus.
That's ridiculous.
They just don't.
I would be so pissed. I'm sitting on this bus. This guy's over here.
Yeah, glad you put your
clapping
end away,
cheeks.
mate.
I'm sitting here stuck on this bus.
But that's Laos. You cannot be in a hurry in Laos. I feel
No,
like even when you
no,
take
no.
the collective tuk-tuk, wait like 30 minutes until this thing is.
Everyone's full.
It's a very slow thing.
It is like
Get it off and
there is garbage everywhere here, but like you actually don't see very many cigarette butts. Because like in Canada, downtown streets in Canada, there's cigarettes everywhere. People,
Yeah?
people just,
It's good.
yeah, I don't
during
see
my
any
3 years
cigarettes.
in Thailand, I had this stuff. I never used it, and now for the show.
Oh.
What is that?
Pocket ashtray.
Pocket
I see it.
from Belgium.
Just nice. Oh, it's even like
Because if you just keep it in a plastic stuff, then the smell at some point gets terrible. At least inside this, the smell is captured inside.
yeah. No, that's sick.
Are you listening to music while you drive?
I usually do when I drive. The thing is like your phone is in your pocket and it's gonna slip out.
Ah, you don't have a. I don't know how to call it.
I only have this. I do have a fanny pack in here, but oh no, you just touch it.
Just touch it.
Oh no.
So I put my bike in the shade because otherwise the seat's gonna be really hot.
Yeah. That always kind of happens though. I mean, it only takes a few seconds though. Your leg okay? I did that recently. I burned the back of my leg here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not too big.
Well, you gotta go pants.
Yeah, you're smart. Those are nice pants. I mean, they look pretty light.
That's why
I'm not scared, but I'm gonna get sunburned.
No, you're right. Yeah. I'm more scared of the sun than the actual heat on the bikes, I swear.
Yeah, like I'm literally wearing a sun hoodie and like sundress. Super light, like I'm honestly not warm at all.
No, yeah. Shops here are so random. Everything.
Normally it's a bit of most here.
Waterfall number 1.
I like that.
You can tell too that like this place was a tourist attraction before COVID. You know what I mean? Like that was a front gate at the beginning. Yeah. And it's like they're expecting tickets. Yeah.
You enter some abandoned.
It's kind of cool though. Yeah. It's like an abandoned park.
Exactly.
It's like half-built buildings, all this stuff.
Exactly. Free market.
Free market. What the fuck is a free market?
Or his staff's family. I
I
don't know.
think it's like free things you can just have.
I am from our staff's family.
Who knows?
They have it kind of like in the hostel booth, bananas and the
Because even on Google Maps, it says that it's closed. This
Okay.
waterfall. But
And that's here that there's one further, but the track is not good.
yeah, that's what she's saying. Even the road here was pretty
Yeah, but
bumpy. Wasn't bad.
practicable? I don't know.
Yeah, practicable.
Practicable.
Practicable? Probably a better word.
Praticable.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Practical?
Practical?
I don't know praticable in French. I have no idea how to
What
say
does it
that.
mean, or can you describe it?
You can take it, but you can actually go on it, and even though it's not so good, you can use it to ride and to go to the next waterfall.
It's
I think
suffice.
it's so terrible.
Suffice? Suffice? Yeah. Oh, what the heck? The gate keeping people out, I guess. Oh, it's literally like the bridge is just gone. Like, there's nothing. Okay.
What the fuck?
I don't see a waterfall though. It sounds like it's over there.
Yeah, you got left.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's definitely.
So là, there's the bridge, and there's another
I think we gotta go down here.
one.
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely. We can hear the thing that way too.
And the water's running that way.
Yeah. We're pretty good at this.
Bear grills.
How was East Thailand?
Huh?
How was East Thailand?
I was in Thailand, quiet.
Oh yeah, I bet.
There were more foreigners than what I was thinking.
Where are we going?
Like the old guys who stayed in
No, I'm just saying, where are we going?
Now they have a young wife. Let's call it a sex pat.
Oh,
Like, you know the expat?
Yeah.
So it's sex pat.
oh, nice.
Oh, really? I heard papaya is like the worst.
I've heard it's just, yeah, isn't it the sex trafficking capital of the world? Something? That's what I've heard. All right, nobody fall in the waterfall.
Yeah, when it comes to the whole high jump stuff,
Wow. Incroyable.
You go to that one in Bang the end, the waterfall, it's really difficult to get to. You've got to cross the Frozen Bridge.
No,
Oh man, it's so cool.
guess I missed out. I've seen some pretty cool waterfalls out here. In Thailand, I saw one or two. There's one near Chiang Mai. 10 stories probably. Huge, man, huge.
Yeah, you have to cross that bridge.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's really scary.
That's absurd. You walk across?
Yeah, but I was
Yeah.
holding, and then there you have to hold and cross that.
Yeah. Damn, fuck no.
This is cool though. Massive.
Whoa, that is
Yeah,
insane.
it's really big, man.
Oh, man, I missed out. That is definitely worth it. That is totally worth
The
it.
only person there.
That's the best too. That I've been noticing. What, yeah, like we were saying earlier while traveling, like it's empty out here. Like it's great. Lao in general is quiet. Like we're the only ones here. Like there's no one, right? Like,
I like the hat.
my hat, yeah, thanks, man. Yeah.
Adventurous hat.
It's perfect, man. It stands up to all the heat, the sweat, the rain. It just, yeah, never have to worry about it.
Yeah, because you don't have hair, so you have something, you need something.
Yeah, man.
Running this side.
All the time. It's brutal. It's so hot. I'm just worried about getting my shoes wet more than anything. Go as close as I can get, unless I want to go. Yeah, that's a little risky. If there's one thing I've learned from waterfalls in Canada is you don't ever go on dark rocks. That means they're wet, and if wet, that means water will hit it, and if water will hit it, you can slip. So stay on the dry ones.